as you can see behind me, Scimitar. We have done some stuff to it, namely the lights. So the lights now work, and this was purely down to chance and luck, I'd say, because I took the bulbs out and the bulb holder out. I tidied up the bulb holder and then put them back in, and somehow they seem to work. Probably just luck, but now we have indicators both sides. We have reverse lights both sides, we have tail lights both sides, and brake lights both sides, which is what you need for an MOT. So now all we have left to do is try and get the passenger door open, because for some stupid reason it doesn't open, and then solve why it's getting slightly hot, and then chuck it in for an MOT and see what happens. So as you can see, if you come around here, I've already taken the trim off. The door doesn't budge. It could be due to the fact that the latch inside there is stuck. The key also doesn't turn in the lock for some stupid reason. If you see here, that doesn't turn in the lock. For some reason it doesn't turn in the lock. It's like it's not even connected. Can't just keep yanking on it, so if anyone has any suggestions for getting this open, that would be muchly appreciated. I've also started, well, I did a bit of bodywork yesterday. Painted this piece up here, which looks a lot nicer than it did. There is a chunk out there, so I might have to get some filler. Obviously we saw the lights. Currently sanding the bonnet down, ready to paint. Should be interesting. But yeah, I mean, she's not actually that bad. I mean, it's what is it, 38-year-old car, you know, it runs and it drives. Do need to sort out stuff like this. The sealant around the window, need a new windowsill. And then this looks quite nice around here. Again, don't know why there's loads of sealer, so I need to investigate that further. Follow me on Instagram at Project Scimitar. Sunroof, we're ignoring that. Just ignoring that. But I have also done something else. Remember this wouldn't shut? Well, now if I drop it, it's now locked, and it's unlocked. So yeah, all in all, it's getting there. It's going to be a while, but it's getting there. Also, the turbo has come off because it was, well, horrible. And the interior we relatively fixed with some seat covers. The plan is eventually Audi TT seats or something else. So yeah.